Durability trumps fancies. Hello boss, this is steering. Hello boss, this is steering. Happy Chinese New Year. Today I'm happy to introduce a vehicle being on the National Parade. Let's take a look. Even though it is several versions, but you still can see there some Army specs remain. CTIS and Run Flight System, Photo Axle, the power switch specially placed on the side. Anyway, military standard make it top grade. No wonder when in parade, our leaders sitting on it. We are Hubei off-road special vehicle. Your best choice to find a vehicle and chassis with military quality.